Okay. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is Alice in the Wonderland. This is a new unit. In the last unit was habit stacking, where we have seen something about Excel. In this unit, we are going to learn something about Scratch. Fine. So the prerequisite for it is you have to download the Scratch and keep it ready. Okay. Now, how to download Scratch? For that, what you will do, you can just go to Google and just click on Scratch 3.0. So here, as you can see on my screen, it is written scratch.mit.edu. So this is the link which is used to download the Scratch. But Scratch can be downloaded only on a laptop. Mobile phone, it is difficult to download Scratch. Okay. The people, those who are using mobile phones, for them, they can just click on the same website, and here they have the option of join Scratch. Okay. So you can join Scratch from here. You can just create your own username. Right? So for example, after my username, you can put some password. Okay. Type the same password over here. So you have to create your own username. You can just try on, see now when here you can see the option username taken. So you can try on clicking some different options and just try to create your username over here. So you can see the more I'm clicking, I am getting the option as username is already created. You can just select the country from here. Next, just write the month and year you were born in. Next, select your gender from here. You have to put your school email ID over here. Okay, put your school email ID. This is school email ID. And your account gets created. This can also be done on mobile phone very easily, the way I have done. Click on get, and this is the way you can just start your account will be created, and see whatever username you have given, that username will come here. You can see the name over here. Okay, and now you can just click on create, and you can create your own Scratch projects. This the same way you can do in mobile phone also, the way I have done. Just watch the video once again from beginning to understand how to do it. So this is the Scratch screen that you can see on in front of you. Scratch generally is a software which is used to make stories, make animations and all. It is one of the early learning coding software. So here you are going to start learning coding. This is the first step for coding, जहाँ पे आप coding सीखने वाले हो, coding कैसे की जाती है, drag and drop क्या होता है. So this is the first step towards it, right? So this whole screen is a screen for Scratch. ये पूरी जो screen देख रहे हो आप, ये Scratch की screen है. Now here you can see on the top, exactly at the top, you have the name of the Scratch here. Next to it you have a different menu bar where you have file menu, where you get the option of new, save and all. Then you have edit option where you can edit the Scratch. Here Untitled, you can just give a name to it, whatever name you want to get. So project 1, so जो भी नाम देना आप दे सकते हो. And then here is your username. Exactly at the bottom here you have 3 blocks or 3 tabs: code tab, costume tab and the sounds tab. Now in the code tab you can see there are different types of blocks available. These are called as blocks. So you have motion block, you have looks block, you have sound block, you have events block, you have control block, sensing block, operator block, variable block and my block. So there are many types of blocks available over here, and out of which you can just try out with any one block. So for the motion block, as the name suggests, motion means what? Motion मतलब क्या होता है? किसी चीज को motion में जाना, move करना, उसे कहते हैं motion. So if you want to move, if you want to turn here and there, if you want to go somewhere, okay, if you want to make this character move, if you want to make your if you want to do animation, so you have to make it move. So for moving you require motion block. For looks means if you want to make that this character say something, look different, change the color, change the costume. So for that you will use the looks block. If you want to give some sounds to it, sound for example, if it is a cat, you want to make the cat say the meow sound. If it is a dog, you want to make the dog bark. If it is some another, so whatever character you are taking, accordingly you can give the sounds to it. Then you have events and so on. So these all blocks we'll be seeing later, but you should know that these are the categories of block from where we can do the coding. The next to it you have costume block. Now if I want to change the costume change means what? You want to change the color, you want to change the expression. So when you click on the costume block, you get this type of screen available. Now this cat, you can see the character. It's also called as sprite. It's a sprite कहते हैं. Okay, it's called a character or a sprite. Now here you can see it is in orange color. If I want, I can change the color of it. So whatever color I want, I can just click on this and I can change the color the way I want. Okay, so you can see I have changed the color. Right, so accordingly I want to make a red cat or orange cat or some multicolor cat. So it's up to you what color you want to take. Right, so you can just take the colors from here, and this is the, we can see a new cat. This is our original cat and this is our new cat. So you have changed the costume. You can also change the expression from here. Okay, so if you want, you can change the expression. For example, I have just clicked on this face. Okay, and now I want to drag it down. You can see the expression has changed. See the expression of this cat and see the expression of this cat. It is changed. Again, you want to change the expression. For example, you want to make it a sad cat. Just click on it and you can make it a sad cat. So we have to do such try and error and see. You can see this is a sad cat. See the expression is so we are changing the costume, change the type of cat. So this you can do in the costume tab. And third is sound. So if you just click over it, play, you get a sound. So there are different types of sounds available over here from where you can add the sound. Okay, now this is the 3 types of tabs available. Now moving ahead, this white color area is called as the block, a panel where you can do the coding. You have to just click on drag and drop. You can drag and drop from here whatever you want. So the codes that you want to be drag and drop need to be clicked over here and just drag on this white color area. This is called as the coding panel where you can just do the coding, and accordingly make the character move. Now next to this coding block on the right hand side, here exactly the right hand side, you have a white color stage. Okay, this is a white color stage where actually the movement you can see your characters do the animation, you can see your characters move. So a platform, जिसको stage भी कहते हैं, platform भी कहते हैं. So it's a platform or a stage where you can actually see the functioning happening. Then on the top you have a green color flag. When you press green color flag, it means you are allowing this cat to move. So for example, I want to make this cat move. So click on this. I want to make it move 10 steps, and I want to make it turn 15 degrees. Again, then I want to make it glide for 1 second at any random position. And ये कब start होगा? There should be a trigger. जब भी आपको किसी कैरेक्टर को मूव कराना होता है तो आपको उसे ट्रिगर देना होता है. ठीक है, ट्रिगर देना मतलब स्टार्ट करना. जैसे हम गाड़ी स्टार्ट करते हैं विद अ किक, सो वी गिव अ ट्रिगर एंड देन वी मेक इट स्टार्ट. Similarly, if I want to make my character start or move into motion, I want to give a trigger. And how can you give trigger? So here is called as events, by giving an event. So the first event is when I click on the flag. There are different ways of starting the event, but one of the easiest ways when flag is clicked. मतलब जब आप इस flag पे click करोगे तो automatically जो भी आपने दिया है steps वो होगा. देखो, it is moving and it is turning. And then see 10 steps move किया, turn किया and glide किया. Let's do again. See here. Okay, so you can just make it move the way you want. Okay, so this is one of the way of making it into motion. Now exactly at the bottom of the stage here, this is called as a sprite area and a backdrop area. इसे कहते हैं sprite area, इसे कहते हैं backdrop area. Now sprite area मतलब क्या? Everything about this sprite. इस sprite के बारे में जो भी हमें information चाहिए, we get it from here. If you want to give a name to this sprite, you can give it as cat. If you want to change the position of this sprite, आपको अगर इसका पोजीशन चेंज करना है तो आप इसको भी चेंज कर सकते हो. See, the position got changed. So if you want to increase, decrease size of this sprite, you can change it from here. The way you want, you can increase, decrease it. If you want to change the direction of this, ये देखो, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. When I click, you can just change the direction of this sprite. That's it. It is ready. You can make it move anywhere you want. Right? Then, अगर मुझे कैट नहीं चाहिए, इसकी जगह मुझे कुछ और चाहिए. I don't want this character. I want some more characters. So there are a lot of characters available. Here there is an option called as. Here is an option over here which is called as choose a sprite. So if you click on choose a sprite here, a whole plethora of information gets open, and there are so many types of sprites available. बहुत तरह के sprites available होते हैं. आप यहाँ से जो भी आपको चाहिए यहाँ पे आप ले सकते हो. Okay, if you do not want this one, just click on this, click on delete. यहाँ से हो जाता है delete, and this gets open from here. Okay, this right side is called as a stage. इसे stage कहते हैं. Okay, and in this stage here is where you can just give a nice backdrop. अब देख रहे हो ये white color का है. Instead of white color, you want some different stage or backdrop. Click on this choose backdrop, and you can take any backdrop. If you want fantasy, you can take some fantasy का background from here. If you want all, see, so many types of backgrounds are available. You can take any one that you want from here. Outdoors, you can take any one from here. See, it has changed. So this is the whole way how your scratch looks like. Okay, so first of all, what you will do in the next 2 days, you're going to first revise all these topics very perfectly, whatever I've given in the video. Watch it twice, thrice, 4 times till the time it is not clearly understood, and keep your scratch ready. Join the scratch पे click करना है, यूजर नेम डालो, पासवर्ड डालो, सेम वे आप आपके मोबाइल पे भी कर सकते हो, and keep it ready. So in the next class or in the next session that I'll give you, we will be starting with Alice in Wonderland, where one by one you will be doing all these steps in the lead book as well as in the practical. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Have a nice day.